Welcome, legends. I'm the Rusty Bartender. This is the Little Mix Cocktail Van, and today we're going to make a Campfire Old Fashioned. This is Ginger the farm cat, and he is so friendly. Will not leave me alone. Thanks, Ginger. So this drink was actually inspired by my good friends over at Alchemix Bar. Over there they have a recipe for a s'mores old fashioned. It was amazing, but this is my take on it. Here in Australia we don't really have s'mores, so I'm going for a campfire old fashioned. Hello again, Ginger. So for my version of this drink, we're going to start off by smoking the glass. This part can be a real crowd pleaser, especially in a bar or a party, because you get the burn stuff. So grab a piece of wood, or I've got a piece of wood that's got marble over the top of it. We're going to be using cherry wood today. It gives it a bit of a sweet smoky flavour. You want to get these nice and smoky. It's got a bit of a light char. Put your glass over it. The smoke will develop in there. While that's smoking, grab a mixing glass, fill it with ice. Lovely. For the alcohol in this, we're going to be using Tullamore Dew. It's got some lovely vanilla notes in it, and I'm Irish, so that's what I'm using. 60 mils of that. Now we're going to use 15 mils of marshmallow syrup. The recipe can be found over at Alchemix Bar. Great recipe. Use it. So we're going to use Angostura orange bitters. It's going to pair really well with the vanilla notes from the whiskey, and it's delicious with marshmallows. Just a couple of dashes. We're going to give this a little stir just until everything's combined and chilled. It doesn't need too much because you don't really want to water this down. Taste for the chef. Alright, at this point your glass should be well and truly smoked. Give it a little waft out. That's beautiful. We're going to add a big chunk of clear ice, of course. And we're going to pour over now. For garnish on this one, what else are we going to use? Toasted marshmallow, of course. Get yourself a pick. And we can't leave it like that. What are we going to do? We're going to toast it, of course. So grab that flamethrower again. And let's toast. Oh yeah! There you go, guys. Campfire Old Fashioned. Cheers. That is great. Marshmallow, smoke, whiskey. It doesn't get better than that. If you're new here, subscribe. Lots of videos coming up. See you next time. Cheers.